Hello, my name is Andrea Kenyon, and I teach math in 8th grade at Virginia Beach Middle School. The course I'm teaching this year is Algebra 1 Honors. Really exciting for me because it's the start of your mathematics higher level high school coursework. It matters very much that you get a good foundation so that you can be successful. And building your success is something that I'm really excited about. So this year, my mantra is this is important. You can do it, and I will help you. I promise. To the parents, I want you to know that I'm going to care about your kid. I want your children to be successful. And to students, I'm looking forward to getting to know you guys. Even if you have concerns about this year and how things go, I want to be there for you, and I really care about setting you up for a very strong future, both in high school and all the way beyond whatever you decide to do. Thanks.